Good day everyone, this is Maria Khan, founder of My Maths Club. My Maths Club is a virtual learning platform designed to provide qualitative and standardized online coaching for mathematical studies. Presently, our services are revolving around IGCSE Mathematics 0580, Additional Mathematics 0606, A-Levels Mathematics 9709, and Undergraduate Calculus 1 and 2 courses. We organize our live classes in a cloud meeting format, where students used to discuss their problematic queries, solve topical past papers, and nurture their concepts, learn efficacious strategies through uninterrupted screen share, which indeed strengthen their grip on the subject and improve their performance. Not only this, we also provide recordings of our lectures to students so they could recover the points they have missed in the live class. Fostering young learners with rich mathematical concepts is our foremost goal. We are here to safeguard your trust, so come and join our webinars for live Q&As. This is our assurance you won't get disappointed. For further details, you can visit our website mymathsclub.com, or you can join our YouTube channel for free lectures. Have a nice day. My Maths Club, always in the pursuit of excellence.